Hello guys, today I will show you a way to earn money without doing anything. In this video, I have also included the payment proof. I have been using this method for 2 years and have earned a lot of money over the year. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. First things we need to do is go to Play Store or App Store and download Nailsin. There is Nailsin Mobile and Nailsin Computer. Since we want Nailsin on mobile, download the mobile one. If you have a computer, you can do it on computer and earn money too. When you open the app, this is what you get. Since many of you may not have an account already, we need to create one. To create an account, search this and go down to where it says Create. This is where you create your account. Since I have an account already, I will not create a new one. But you guys should fill all of the information and create an account. When you're done, enter your email and password you create and put it here. When you have created the account and click sign in, this is what you get. It will say active and shows your point. This app works on background, so you don't need to do anything when this is showing. You can leave the app and use your phone normally. Like I promised, I will show you the payment proof. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. To withdraw your money, you have to go to a different website. Search this on Google to go there. When you log in, this is where it should take you. Here you enter your username and password. This is where it will take you. There are a lot of things to choose: gift cards, electronic or outdoor stuff. There is also PayPal or as bank. Finally, it is time for the payment proof. As you can see, this is everything I have withdrawn so far. I have received everything on my email account. There is Amazon gift card. Now, let me show you the proof that I have received the money on my email. When they send you this email, click Claim Your Code. And this is where it will take you if it was Amazon gift card that you choose. I have already redeemed this code, so don't waste your time. Thanks for watching so far, guys. If you have any questions, make sure to put them on the comment section below. I will make sure to answer all of them.